Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 series release date, price and specs, rumors. Hi guys. This is Chloe for AB Tech. Welcome to my channel. Kindly hit the subscribe button, like and comment. So, while Samsung's Galaxy Tab S7 and Tab S7 Plus may be the company's most competitive tablets to date, they also raise questions about what the company might be cooking up for its next generation slates. While we haven't yet heard of an official name, we're assuming there will be at least two, called the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 and Tab S8 Plus. Here's what we know so far. Samsung is introducing its flagship tablet, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra this year. The Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra features a 14.6-inch OLED display that has 1800 by 3200 pixels resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is powered by Snapdragon 888 SoC. The chipset is paired with Adreno 660 GPU, which offers flawless graphics performance. The tablet ships with 8GB of RAM and 128GB onboard storage. It also has a top-end model which packs 12GB of RAM and 512GB storage. For imaging purpose, the device features a dual-camera setup that consists of a 13MP primary main sensor and a 5MP secondary camera. For selfies and video calling, the tablet comes equipped with a dual 8MP plus 5MP camera setup. The whole package is fueled by a 12,000 mAh battery that supports 45W fast charging. In terms of connectivity, the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra offers 4G support, 5G, Wi-Fi 802.11b G and AC, Bluetooth version 5.2, GPS, a 3.5mm audio jack, a USB Type-C port. Therefore, the design and display of Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra will come with a sports of 14.6-inch OLED display with an 1800 by 3200 pixels resolution and a 120 refresh rate. The tablet has a bezel-less display. It is equipped with quad stereo speakers which are tuned by AKG. Dimensions-wise, the tablet measures around 285 by 185 by 5.7 mm and weighs around 650 grams. For processor, storage and camera specifications. Powering the tablet under the hood is an octa-core Snapdragon 888 SoC. The Adreno 600 GPU handles the graphics. As mentioned earlier, the tablet packs 8GB, 12GB of RAM and 128GB, 512GB of internal storage. It also has a microSD card support for further expansion of storage up to 1TB. On the software side of things, it runs Android 11 out of the box with One UI 3.1 skin. As for the optics, the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is equipped with 13MP plus 5MP cameras at the rear. At the front, the tablet sports an 8MP plus 5MP camera setup for capturing selfies and recording videos. And for the battery and connectivity, the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is loaded with a 12,000 mAh battery that supports 45 fast charging. The 12,000 mAh battery can easily last throughout the day. Connectivity-wise, the tablet comes in 4G, 5G, and a Wi-Fi model. It has Bluetooth V.5.2 support, GPS, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB Type-C port. How much will the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 series Ultra cost? In a monster leak that emerged at the end of May, hosted in a since-deleted tweet, at the request of the source, by tipster Frontron, it looks as though we can expect 3 devices this year, rather than 2020's pair of Tab S entries. While their names aren't yet official, it looks as though Samsung has a Tab S8, Tab S8 Plus and Tab S8 Ultra to unleash upon the market in the coming months, with the leak including Korean pricing, split across 3 SKUs for each model, Wi-Fi only, LTE and 5G. Last but not least is the sizable Tab S8 Ultra, which costs from £940, €1,085, $1,325 for the Wi-Fi, LTE and 5G flavors, respectively. Like its smartphones, the S-line of Samsung's Galaxy Tab family has always served as the flagship. The premium, the most feature-rich of its slate offerings and as a result, the one with the most demand. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit the like button and comment the country you are watching from. See you in my next video.